Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Instagram account or application. So sometimes that other people like your followers or your friend or other stranger people see your birthday. So how can you hide or how can you do the only me? So you can see it's the Instagram application. See, just tap on your Instagram app, then go here. The right bottom corner of your screen, simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, then here you'll see the option three line. Okay, right top corner on your screen, then tap here settings and privacy and tap account center and scroll down. Then you'll see the option personal details, simply tap on that, and you can see the option birthday, simply tap on the middle one, and you can see who can see your birthday on Instagram, so tap on that. So you can see like who can see your birthday on Instagram. Tap the change visibility on Instagram. So here you'll see three options. No one, it means that no one can able to see your birthday. If you choose the close friend list, so it means that uh, whoever you make your friend list, then they will able to see your birthday. And if you select the last one, followers, you follow back, so it means when you someone you following, then they will able to see your birthday. And after that, simply tap on the save, then it's perfectly changed. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.